How to change the opacity of a video in CapCut on your computer. So this works for Windows or Mac. I'm just on a Mac, but it works the same way. So let's say you have two videos and you want to change the opacity of one of them so that you can see the video under it more clearly. So I'm going to drag this on here, and then what I'm going to do is drag this video on top, and I'm just going to pick a moment here. So what you want to do is make sure that you're selecting the right video. So select a video on top, and then you want to come over here to all of these settings here, and you want to go down to where it says blend, and it'll show you the opacity. And it's real simple to do. All you have to do is mess with this toggle switch, and now if I were to turn this to 0, the video under it would be totally visible. And then if I were to raise the opacity, you would start to see the video that's on top. And that's it. That is how you would go about changing the opacity on a video. And you can also trim this and just adjust the opacity for a certain section if you want it to. So we can have this be 100% and the one before be 100% as well. And then just the middle video could just be a lower opacity. So that way you can kind of go through and see the difference of opacities in your videos. And that's it.